Superlative. Watch me pop my collar, them girl holla. Them man hit me for the sauce on top. I got what they need, doors open. Now I navigate through like cause I can. I weren't made to be less than great. Avant-garde, I don't know no grain. Come like pops, they just know my pace. Come out your ends a civilian, not your average low hillian. Pass me the mic.
London is on a knife edge, with the capital recording a new knife crime incident every 30. So far, at least 20 people have been knifed to death in London in the first 4 months of this year. As we've heard, there's a long road ahead to getting the situation under control.
So we decided to walk the streets of London just to check it out for ourselves. This is a cool little street. Look at this place. Look at that shoe. My God. Monster shoe. Listen here, all you thugs. Thugs and hoodlums, no ball games. Left my fucking jacket at the airport in the damn United Lounge. And now it's like freaking 30 degrees here in London. So I'm on a quest for a jacket at some point. What do you think? Think I need one of those? Look at this one. Hell yeah. If that were the case, I'd be crying all day long in Taos, New Mexico. You guys ever been there? Wow. Check it out. I was looking for a jacket. I found this cool freaking dude in this store. This is his store that he has. You're doing a little video, dude.
Yeah, man. What's happening?
This is the dude. This is the dude sold with the jacket.
Guys, you're right. Yeah, just hook my man up with the jacket. Make sure you check his channel out. Where's the drone? You know, all the way from London. He's just supported our academy, giving young people that are out of education and out of employment opportunities to learn how to design, and that's what it's all about. You know, man. So it's the year of lifting people up, not beating them down. You know, and that's what it is, man. Thank you so much.
See, London's cool as shit. I've only been here an hour and I'm already starting to meet people. But this is the name of the dude's store here. So if you guys are in London, check this place out.
Yeah, that's the Climbing Brothers. We're based in Camden, and this is a map. Have a little picture of that map. You know, this is a map of all the different places and the countries and things like that. You know, all the people from around the world that have stepped in the shop and supported our project. So
look, they got little
we're getting around.
Pesos and
Yeah.
American dollars right
Americans are like, you know, they're a bit territorial. They always write where they're from, so I think we've got loads of different. I think we might have a Colorado one right at the back and things like that. You know, that's the aim, man. But yeah, enjoy Camden Town, enjoy the market, and that's the aim.
What's going on there, see?
Yeah.
Here we go. If you guys are ever in London, come by the store and sign my dollar bill. It's going to be pinned on the wall right there.
We're going to put it on the wall right there.
We're going to put it on the wall right now.
All right then.
Check this out. Add another $1 to the wall.
Yeah, nice, man. So now you're representing. You're number one, bro.
See, now when he retires, he can pull all that money out and cash it all in.
Even this, what is it? 1 billion. 1 billion.
Okay, anybody that knows me knows I love watches. I have lots of them. Cool little watch shop. Look at this place.
We've got some from
Watches are more than the house now. Bridge that the watch guy was just talking about right there.
Playing some new Pandora pieces for spring. It's time to refresh and play around with our creative style.
Bah non, mais ça y est, parce que ça va faire un trou là.
Whew, lively part of town, huh? I think I might have made a wrong turn. Jeez.
It's exactly what
I'm actually grocery shopping in London. Crazy, huh? Used to be my favorite cereal when I lived here. Weetabix.
making a left.
Jesus, lots of activity. Hold this bag for a minute, please. Ah, thank you. Ooh.
Where is going to cross?
There's a Sainsbury's sign right in front of us. Okay, made it to the Airbnb.
Superlative. Watch me pop my collar, them girl holla. Them man hit me for the sauce on top. I got what they need, doors open. Now I navigate through like cause I can. I weren't made to be less than great. Avant-garde, I don't know no grain. Come like pops, they just know my pace. Come out your ends a civilian, not your average low hillian. Pass me the mic, it's a silly one, never on killing.